So guys, now I'm going to pour in my all-purpose flour. And sugar. So now I'm going to add sugar. So I don't want to add much. I add 2.5 tablespoons, and I'm going to add salt. Now, and I'll stir all the dry ingredients together. Make sure you stir very well. So I'm going to add milk. So I'm using pig milk. If you have powder milk, you can use. And my yeast. And stir very well. So now I'm going to stir very well. So guys, our dough is well mixed, as you can see. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it with foil now and allow it to settle for some time before frying. Okay, so look at it. It's well mixed. If you have kitchen towel, you can use. So let me on the gas. So guys, I'm going to add our oil. So I'm going to add more. So guys, as you can see, our dough is ready. It's for me to start frying. I've washed my hand proper. So let's go, guys. So guys, So guys, please, if you have not liked this video, please like, share, comment in the comment section if you are going to prepare this your malicious puff ọkụ. Eat one, come again. Puff dị ọkụ. This one dey stubborn o. Come on, stay like this. Hey.